Hello guys, so last video from the cabin because we are leaving ASAP tomorrow morning, but I thought I would do a quick video for you guys before I left. It's nighttime, so I'm about ready to go to bed. I always shower at night, and I just started my skincare routine, but anyway, I wanted to talk about the Kosas Sport deodorant, which they just released recently. I talked a little briefly about it in another video, but I thought I'd talk a little bit more about it because a lot of you guys had a lot of questions about it, which is nice. It's actually really affordable. However, the one thing I will say about this is I dislike the packaging because if you squeeze this bottle at all while you're rolling it, you will get very damp, very hydrated. So not always the best thing, but if you don't squeeze it at all and just use it without squeezing it, putting any pressure on it, you'll be just fine. So I used this in right after I took my shower today. And I will say that there is like a build-up time to it. So if you're going to change to like a natural deodorant, give yourself at least 2 weeks to kind of have your body acclimate to it. And after that, it should be getting better each day because you're not using like a lot of fragrance or aluminum and things like that. People don't want to use it for certain reasons, for health reasons, for other appearance reasons, even because some of those can be very pore clogging and just kind of create a nightmare. So this one's really nice. I recommend using it right after you shower if you shower at night. And then if you, when you're getting ready in the morning, apply another layer. But I will say after about a week of this, it's been pretty good now. Before this, I was using the Kopari coconut deodorant, and then I tried the Pharmacy Beauty one after, switching off from aluminum deodorants. And I will say it took a bit of time for my body chemistry to kind of regulate around it. But now that I've been using it consistently for a while, it's really made a huge difference. And the nice thing is, it does have some good beneficial ingredients. It's got several acids, mandelic acid, Skimic acid, which is actually a whitening acid, which helps exfoliate the skin and help brighten the skin. So some people complain about pigmentation. So that really can help brighten it up. And there are also lactic acid and then a couple peptides, tartaric acid. I recommend, this is the fragrance-free version. They also have a fragrance version. I do recommend the fragrance-free version. However, if you like a little bit of scent, the other version looks like it has bitter orange oil in it, which probably gives it a little bit of a scent, but probably not too much. That's just up to you. But for the price for this one, I would say a bottle like this would probably last 3 months, 4 months, maybe even a little bit longer, depending on how you don't squeeze it when you're using it. Because if you squeeze it, it'll be a mess. But it's like $15, so that's not bad compared to like anything else at the store. The aluminum type ones generally are like what, $4 or $5, and they last a few months. But this one seems to me like it'll last a lot longer. So I recommend applying it, giving it a minute to dry, and then getting dressed. And so far, I'm really enjoying it. So I'm happy I picked it up. I kind of, on a whim, just decided to give it a try because the Kopari one was working, but then sometimes in the summer it just didn't work enough because it was more of a deodorant than an antiperspirant. You know what I mean? There's two different kinds. So did more that direction, but not enough on the other side. But this one seems to be working pretty good. It won't stop you from sweating, but your sweat bacteria won't have time to grow because those acids will kill it pretty quick. So anyway, if you guys have more questions or thoughts on it, or if you've tried it or any of the other ones, definitely leave a comment and let me know. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys.